Standard first, subject computer, lesson number 4, playing with the keyboard. This is a keyboard. It has many small buttons on it. They are called keys. It helps us to type, write any numbers, letter or words into the computer. Yes, students, when we enter in the computer lab, we can see all parts of computers, example monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, etc. But keyboard also the main part of the computer, because from keyboard we can use keys which we want to type, alphabet keys, number keys, function keys, special key, etc., which we can use easily from the keyboard. It has small buttons on it. They are called keys. The alphabet keys. The keys on the keyboard have letters of the alphabet on them. We use them to type in words. Their keys are called alphabet keys. So children, when we want to type our name, a keyboard contains different keys or buttons, and these keys represent unique alphabets, numbers or special sign. The keys which contain alphabets on them are known as the alphabet keys. These alphabet keys are arranged in QWERTY sequence on the keyboard. The letters are used to type text. The function keys. The function keys are used for special kinds of jobs or tasks. These are from F1 to F12. Yes, these keys are special function keys which we have on keyboard on a computer or terminal keyboard, which can be programmed so as to causes on operating system. On some keyboards, computers' function keys may have default actions, enable on, power on. The number keys. On the keyboard there are numbers from 0 to 9 on these keys so that we can type in any number. Their keys are called number keys. There are also some special sign or characters on these keys. They have special uses. So students, the numeric keypad or 10 key keyboard usually on the far right. It provides calculator style efficiency for entering numbers. The arrow keys. The arrow keys are used to move the cursor or blinking line towards the right, left, up or down. Arrow keys or cursor movement keys are buttons on a computer keyboard that are either programmed or to move the cursor in a specific direction. Arrow keys are commonly used for navigating around documents and for playing games. The enter key. The enter key is the most important key on the keyboard. When you press it, the cursor goes to the next line. So students, the enter key sends the cursor to the next line or execute a command or operation. The space bar. This is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to insert a space between two words or two numbers or two letters. So students, its main purpose is to continuously enter a space, example, between words during typing, a typical space bar key. The caps lock key. We use this key when we wish to type capital letters on the screen. Yes, when you press caps lock key on the keyboard, will be automatically capitalized until you press it again to disable it. The delete key. It is used to erase or delete a letter or word. to the right of the cursor. Yes, student, when struck on a computer keyboard during text or command editing, the delete key delete or del. The backspace key. This key is used to erase a character to the left of the cursor. The backspace is the keyboard key that originally pushed the typewriter. Carries one position backward and in modern computer systems moves the display cursor one position backwards, deletes the character at the position. The shift key. There are two shift keys on the keyboard. They are used when typing capital letters and the special sign. The shift key can also be used with a combination of other keys such as control key, alt key, escape caps key and several others. The insert key. The insert key is used to insert one or more letter between two letters. The insert key insert is a key commonly found on computer keyboards. It is primarily used to switch between the two text entering modes on a personal computer. Thank you.